What's up, everybody? It's Kevin Wilson with the Normative Experience, and today I'm just gonna give you guys a quick life update. So, man, I just feel like I'm in this season of like unmatched creativity, and like when I say unmatched, I'm not comparing it to anybody else or like what other people are doing. I'm saying like for myself, I feel like I've never been this creative. I've never been thinking of this many ideas or at this level that I am right now. But with that, I feel like some of the ideas and like the vision I have for certain things, I don't have the resources to get it done. Like I don't have the people, I don't have a crew. It's like the ideas are grand, the ideas are big, and like I know God's giving me these ideas because He wants me to use them to impact people. But it's like I just don't feel like I have what it takes to get it done. And so it's frustrating when like I'll think of an idea and I'll be like, sorry, these cars distracted me. I couldn't focus. So yeah, it's like frustrating because it's like the other day I had this dope idea. I was on the phone with someone and then it inspired me. I got this idea, but it's just like I'm in a space where I just like I gotta get it done, and so I didn't have the people I needed. I didn't have a crew. I didn't have anyone to shoot. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like I just didn't have what I needed to put the video together. And so of course, as a filmmaker, I know my options are to modify the vision, right? To modify the outlook of the film or the project or whatever it is to fit my resources. But I just feel like the ideas that I've been getting lately are so like they could be so impactful that it's like if I dumb it down, if I shrink it, it's just not gonna be the same. It's not gonna have the same impact. It's not gonna hit the people I needed to hit the way I needed to hit them or the way God needs it to hit them. Because like I said, God is giving me these ideas. And so I was just like, man, like I guess I'm in the season of like I'm just trying to be patient. It's like, God, I know you wouldn't give me these great ideas and not give me a way to execute them. And so I'm in this season of like just waiting and trying to be patient and figure out like I know He's gonna provide. I know He's gonna provide ways for me to get it done. But it's just like a matter of when. And so just trying to do stuff on His time instead of mine. Cause I'm like once I get an idea, I will shoot it that day. Like that day I had an idea, I hit people up, and so we tried to shoot something. It just didn't work out the way I needed it to. But it's like I really wish I just had a group of people that just, as crazy as it sounds, just like have a whole bunch of free time and are like, hey, whatever, you know what I'm saying? Like whatever you're with, like we with it. You know what I'm saying? As long as it's for as long as it's impactful content. And so that's what I'm looking for. If you guys know any people that, you know, actors, crew members, people that shoot or that want to shoot, let me know. Leave a comment or just hit me up on like Instagram at _normally_different_ because it's like I know God's gonna provide, but it's also like we got to do our part as humans. We as people, we forget that sometimes, and we just sit in the room and be like, God's gonna provide. It's like, yeah, He's gonna provide, but it's like you gotta reach out to people. You gotta put it out in the world that you're looking for people. It's like if you just sit in your room and just sit on your bed and wait for, you know what I'm saying, a million people to just be like, oh, we want to help you. It's like that's not realistic. And so yeah, so that's just where I'm at. I got a whole bunch of ideas, and I just need people, really. That's the main thing. I mean, as far as equipment, I got everything I need. I could always get better equipment, you know what I'm saying? But I got everything I need equipment wise. I need people. I need people that are willing to help me execute the vision that God has given me. And so yeah, that's it. I didn't want to make this too long. Y'all pray for your boy. If you got anything that you need me to pray for you about, just let me know. Leave a comment, or like I said, DM me on Instagram at _normally_different_. And yeah, man, I appreciate y'all for watching this video. This is not a super entertaining video. It's just me talking. So if you made it this far, I really appreciate you. So yeah, thank you for watching, and remember to make today worth living. Peace.